Hello and welcome back to Career Launcher. It's only 24 days more to go to CAT 2021. The last 4 weeks of your preparation is extremely crucial from the point of view of practicing questions. And as a part of our daily practice questions and exercises that we have been releasing on YouTube, consisting of questions from our mocks that have appeared very recently. Also, given the fact that the CAT 2021 pattern is not known yet, we bring to you in this particular video 3 questions that will cover a little bit of time, speed and distance and other parts of arithmetic that have appeared in Countdown CAT 10. All right. A and B can complete a piece of work in 15 days. A plus B into 15 is equal to the total work. B and C can finish the total work in 12 days. 12 times of B plus C is equal to the total work. And C and A can do it in 10 days. 10 times of C and A is equal to the total work. As a result, if you consider the total work to be an LCM of 12, 15 and 10, 60 units, you will get A plus B is equal to 4. You'll get B plus C is equal to 5. And you'll get A plus C is equal to 6. As a result, you'll get 2 times of A plus B plus C is equal to 15. 2 times of A plus B plus C is equal to 15, or A plus B plus C is equal to 15 by 2. What is the question asking? If they all start working together for 5 days, so the first 5 days, they have all started working together, 5 days. All A, B and C work. So the total work done will be 5 times of A plus B plus C, which will be equal to 75 by 2 units. Which will be equal to 75 by 2 units. The total work is 60 units. And then Beena and Chetan leave. B and C leave after that. How many days can Abhi complete the remaining work? If B and C leave after that, if A plus B plus C is equal to 15 by 2 and B plus C is equal to 5, B plus C is equal to 5, then A must be equal to 15 by 2 minus 5, which is equal to 5 by 2. So A can finish 5 by 2 units every day. A can finish 5 by 2 units every day. Till now, 75 by 2 units have been done. That means the remaining job is 45 by 2 units. 45 by 2 units. And A does 5 by 2 units every day. So he is going to take 9 more days. The answer should be option 2. Mike and his younger brother run for a 100-meter race where Mike beats his brother by 10 meters. In another 200-meter race, Mike starts from 20 meters behind the starting line and gives his brother a better chance to win. Which of the following is true regarding the 200-meter race? Now, this is the kind of question, right, which reminds me of my childhood days. I was also a younger sibling. I had an elder sibling. I always used to lose to him in a game of chess. So after a point in time, I said, boss, I won't play chess with you. He said, next time he offered to play chess with me and he said ki boss I'll play with my left hand. मैं बोला ठीक है चल तू left hand से खेलेगा तो मैं खेलूं. Such is the life of younger siblings, unfortunately. But ever since that I have evolved, I have grown, and you must know that. So let us say Mike and his younger brother run for a 100-meter race where Mike beats his younger brother by 10 meters. So in a 100-meter race, when Mike reaches here, his brother only reaches this point. So because it is a race, we can assume that the time for which both of them are running is equal. That means speed 1 by speed 2 should be equal to the distance 1 by distance 2. So the speeds of Mike and his brother M by B should be equal to 100 by 90. So the ratio of speeds of Mike is to his brother is 10:9. So in the time in which his brother can cover 9 meters, Mike can cover 10 meters. Or the time in which Mike can cover 10 meters, his brother can only cover 9 meters. Using the same as our premise, now the race goes to 200 meters. So this is 0.0, this is 200, this is where the race is, this is where the brother is. The Mike is saying that he will start from 20 meters behind point 20. So basically, Mike is going to cover a distance of 220 meters. Let us check by this time will his brother be able to finish the race. So if Mike has to cover 220 meters, Mike has to cover 220 meters. In the same time, his brother will only be able to cover 9 by 10 of 220 meters, which is equal to 198 meters. That means even if Mike starts from 20 meters behind, by the time Mike reaches here, his brother, poor little brother, would have only reached the mark of 198, and Mike could still have defeated his brother by 2 meters. I told you, such is the life of younger siblings, and that is what was supposed to happen with the younger sibling. R and U start walking towards each other from point A and point B respectively at the same time. Before they meet each other, their speeds are in the ratio 11:2. After the meeting, U increases his speed so that their speed becomes X times his original speed and reaches A earlier than R takes to reach point B. Okay. So which of the following could be the value of X? So we want you to be super fast. We want you to be the fastest possible. Which of the following could be the value of X? If we want you to increase his speed to the maximum possible, which of the following could be? यार 31 तो होना ही चाहिए. अगर 30 पे हो गया 31 पे तो हो ही जाए. So that means 31 should be the answer of the question. This is absolutely a no-brainer to my mind. However, let us take a look at how to actually approach the question. Now we will say that what happens if this question is a theta? कौन पूछेगा यार theta? Okay, so let us first look at the ratio of speeds. R is to U is 11:2. If R is to U is 11:2, that is 13 parts. So the total distance has to be 13 parts. Let us also take it to be a multiple of 11, 2, and 13. So let us consider that the total distance between them is 286 meters. That is the LCM of 11 into 3, that is 11 into 3 into 13 into 2. If the total distance was 286 meters and R starts from here at a speed of 11 meters per second and U starts from here at a speed of 2 meters per second, where will they meet? They will meet at a point in which R covers 11 by 13 of the total track. This is 22 times. So this is 11 into 22. They will meet at this point, which is 242 meters. This is their meeting point. Okay. After the meeting, U goes at a speed of 2 times of X. X times into 2. While R continues going at a speed of 11 meters per second. After meeting, U and R continues going at a speed of 11 meters per second. What is the distance he is supposed to cover? 44 meters. So if R is supposed to cover 44 meters, he is going to take 4 seconds. So if U wants to reach point A before R reaches point B, U has to do it below 4 seconds. That means let us consider the total speed of U to be some X. If the total speed of is some K, some Y, let us say that U's speed is Y after the change. If U's speed is Y and he has to cover 242 meters at a speed of Y, we should do it below 4 seconds. If he does it below 4 seconds, 242 is less than 4Y. That means Y is greater than 60.5. Y is greater than 60.5. So the new improved speed of U should be greater than 60.5. His original speed was 2. X must be greater than 30.25. So there is only one option that X could take. That is greater than 30.25. That is option 4.